Next topic, factors supporting Indian development. Next topic, factors supporting Indian development. First one is the first factors, a fast growing populations of working age as important factors. The first factors, the fast growing of these, the fast growing populations of working age is an important factors. The second one is for this, there are the 700 millions, there are 700 millions under the age of 35. So there are 700 millions Indians under the age group of the 35. So first factors, the fast growing populations of a working age is an important factors. The second one is for this importance, there are the 700 millions Indian under the age group of 35 and the demographic look good for the Indian growth. In the next 20 years, at least India the experience of the demographic transitions that is increasing. The first part, there are 700 millions Indian workers under the age group of 35 for the demographic look good for the Indian growth in the next 20 years at least. So next 20 years for the at least. Main for the fast growing of the working peoples and the 700 millions of the above the age of under the age of the 35, and these the demographics look good for Indian growth. So Indian economic growth. So Indian growth is the next 20 years at least. So increasing. So the look of the Indian growth. India is experiencing demographic transitions that is increasing. In the share of the working age populations from the 58 to 64, the Indian experiencing demographic, the transition that increased the share of the working age population from 58% to 64% over the last 2 decades. So first one is the fast growing populations of the working age is the important factors. Important factors are the 700 millions of Indians under the age of these 35 for the working populations, under the working populations. So இந்தியாவில் 30 வயதுக்கு உட்பட்ட உழைக்கும் வயதில் வேகமாக வளரும் மக்கள் தொகையில் 700 மில்லியன்ஸ் பேர் உள்ளனர். So after and the demographic look good for the Indian growth is the next 20 years at least. So the reduce. So next 20 years, that means reduce next 20 years the reduce of the demographic look of the Indian growth. That means for the வளர்ச்சிக்கான மக்கள் தொகை குறைவாக உள்ளது. So next one is for the India experiencing demographic transition increased the shares of the working age from the 58% to 64% over the last 2 decades. Over the last 2 decades. That means for the கடந்த 2 சகாப்தங்களாக உழைக்கும் வயது மக்களின் பங்கு 58 to 64. So next one is the main reasons. India has a strong legal system and and many English languages speakers. One is this purpose mainly for growing the 58 to 64. Because two main reasons. One is the legal system, strong legal system. Another one is the languages, English languages speakers. This has been a key of attack. Key is for the mainly for attracting involved the investment for the companies. So a lot of investor attractions the investor for the companies such as the specializing in IT. That means here information technologies. So main reasons for the growing the working age for the one is strong legal systems. Another one is for the English languages. So mainly for the specializing in information technology. So next one is Indian's economy has successfully developed. Indian's economy has successfully developed in the highly advanced attractive clusters. So attractive. So other foreign companies, other software companies. So attractive. So Indian economy has successfully. So is a well developed. So successfully developed in the highly advanced technologies and the attractive the cluster of business in the technology space. For examples, the examples for the software technology, the rapid emergence of the Bangalore. The emergence of the Bangalore as the hub of the global software business. So very well developed in this software technology in Bangalore cities. The Bangalore. The external economies of the scale have the competitive advantage in many related industries. So many related industries for the advantages the competitors. So these are the factors supporting of the development. Only legal, another one is for these English languages speakers. And then the technologies well developed. The software companies here with Bangalore as hub of the global influence, the global business, the global software business. The external economies of scale have deepened the competitive advantage in the many related industries. Thank you.